Good morning, dolls. Welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. And this is an unboxing video of some items that I got recently. I get items from all over, but there are a couple specific places I get things from when I'm looking for something very specific. And so, yeah, I want to show you what I got. All right. So, what I did was I ordered a few pieces for the rooming house. I needed a light for the cafe, and this is what I chose. I may distress it or age it a little bit, but I think it's kind of pretty just the way it is. That brass was very popular at that time. Okay, so this is a blinking, flashing light. I'm going to use that when I do one of the fireplaces in the rooming house. The flashing light is a blinking light, and I think that's going to be really, really cool. Let's see how it looks. Let me just check it out a little bit. See how it actually looks when it blinks. Okay. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, that's really cute. Oh, that's gonna look adorable when I get it all set up and get it around behind the wood and inside the fireplace. That's gonna be great. I love it. I love it. Now, those of you that know me, well, I guess everybody's learning me. I don't wire my dollhouses. I haven't wired any of them. I use battery operated lights. Now, this was a very, I thought it was just a beautiful tea set. It stood out to me. I had never seen one like this. A lot of them look very similar to the ones on the box. And I actually panicked when I saw the box cover because I was like, that's not what I ordered. But look at that little teapot. Isn't that adorable? And that cobalt blue just blew me away. So I had to have that set. I think it's going to look very, very distinctive inside one of the china cabinets or on the dining room table. Yeah, I think that'll look really, really pretty. So yeah, that was one of the main drivers to me ordering this particular making this particular order because yeah, I had to have that tea set. Very unusual. I have a tendency to want pieces that look kind of rare, unusual. I don't really like things that are real common. I'm always looking for something different, and if I do get some very common pieces, I try to modify them to customize them a little bit. Yeah, I hate it when everything just looks alike. Yeah, when I saw that box, I just freaked out because I was like, that's not what I ordered. Now, now these are some hangers. Hangers are not a big deal. They're pretty easy to make, like the wire type. But I thought the wooden ones looked really nice because that was kind of like a more old-fashioned style that they used years ago. And because I'll be making clothes to put in the closets and armoires and hang on the backs of doors and things like that, I definitely needed some hangers. Now this is just a little cake stand. I just thought it was unusual because it had the fluted edges. And I did make quite a few cakes and pies around the holiday for the rooming house. So that's going to look really cute on one of the tables or buffets. So now these are some stickers, some like travel stickers type that go on like luggage and things like that. So I got 2 packs of those because I did luggage and I did packing crates and things like that. So I thought that would look really great in the rooming house in maybe the lobby area where some of the suitcases and things would be for people that were coming in. So yeah, that was an idea. So yeah, really pleased with the pieces I got. I got some hooks to go on the backs of doors to make a clothes rack or a coat rack in one of the hallways. I thought that would be a really great idea. So I'll definitely show you when I do that. Oh, and yeah, this is another cake stand. I'm sorry, I'm not in focus. Yeah, there's the lid to the cake stand. I thought that was just adorable. You had to have it. That's real glass. I was really tickled about the quality and even the price was really, really great. So, yeah, just wanted to share this with you today. Sometimes it's just, to me, it's just fun. It's almost like getting toys at Christmas when I get packages of things I ordered. it's really exciting for me. So I guess that's the a little Gretchen in me that just really enjoys unwrapping and unpackaging all the little goodies. So I'm just trying to sit everything here so you can see everything I got. Yeah, those are those hooks I was telling you about. So it's quite a few of them. So yeah, that's gonna be really, really cute. You know, because in those days people didn't have closets and the big mega closets like we have now in our houses because people didn't have a lot of clothes. So they hung clothes on hooks and had armoires and little coat racks and things like that to store their clothes. And I thought those were really cute, and think that they'll make a really unique addition to my settings in the project. So here is another driver to the order that I placed. It's a teeny weeny little old-fashioned baby carriage. I thought it was adorable. It was unusual. Very, very vintage looking. So yeah, had to have that too. I'm going to be challenged to find a baby that small. But I thought that was really, really cute. I think I might have a baby that'll fit in there. If not, I guess I'll have to make one. But I thought that was adorable as well. Very unusual piece. I had never seen one like that here in any catalogs here. And yeah, those were the baby bottles and a baby oil. Yeah, had to have that. Had to have that. So yeah, had some fun with this haul and the items that I found. So those were just adorable. Just absolutely adorable. Okay, so to end this haul off, wow, that's kind of weird. Like right after the baby bottles, I'm breaking out with the little liquor decanter and cups. But yeah, what would a rooming house be with out some liquor? Yeah. So I'm gonna put that probably in a cabinet. Don't want the dolls to overindulge. Okay, so that's it for Little Gretchen's workshop. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.